Welcome to the Reimers Repair Tutorial Series. Today we will be demonstrating how to replace your gauge glass. It is recommended that you change your gauge glass at least once a year. Follow these instructions to properly and safely change your gauge glass. You will need a set of needle nose pliers, a 12-inch adjustable crescent wrench, a 1-inch open-ended wrench, and a mirror or piece of reflective stainless steel to check for leaks. Make sure you properly unplug and disconnect your Reimers electric steam boiler. Verify that the boiler is cool to the touch. Close the top and bottom gauge glass fixture valves. Drain any remaining water left in the gauge glass by opening the peacock at the bottom of the valve. Remove the gauge protector to get access to the glass. Loosen the top and bottom nut completely from the threads. Gently slide the glass into the upper valve as far as possible. Turn the upper valve counterclockwise just so the glass can clear the bottom valve roughly about 45 degrees. Assemble the new nuts, washers, and gaskets as shown. Slide the new rubber gasket an inch down the gauge glass. Carefully slide the new glass into the upper valve as far as possible. Lightly tighten the top nut just so the glass won't fall out. Align and center the glass with the bottom valve. Loosen the top nut so that the gauge glass will fall into the bottom valve, then loosely tighten each nut. Avoid having the glass touch either valve by sliding it up 1/8 of an inch, then tighten the nuts until they are snug. Replace the gauge protector, close the peacock, and open the top and bottom gauge glass fixture valves. Leaks are a normal occurrence. Periodically use a mirror or reflective stainless steel to determine leaks every 1 to 2 weeks while the machine is under pressure. If leaks are found, make sure that there is no water, electricity, or pressure to the unit. Carefully tighten the gauge glass nuts 1/4 of an inch, then power up your steamer and recheck. Congratulations! You are finished on replacing your gauge glass. Thank you for watching and choosing Reimers Electro Steam, providing quality steam products since 1908.